Alam mo, Mr. Santos, I don't care saan lagay yan. Kahit pa sa parking lot. As long as it works and DOH approves it, well, what's wrong with that? Parang tingin ko negligence eh. Hawak na nila. Nagka-problema. Hindi problema nila. Baka pinabayaan naman nila. O baka yan na naman is another case of porque galing sa administrasyon ng Angeles.
Hindi rin nakatulong na, alam mo na, yung budget, reenacted budget lang, walang pambili ng equipment, walang magtatao doon. So, kabit-kabit na mga problema ng syudad, no?
Partner, prangkahan nga tayo. Ako talaga, brutaling ko na, sabihin ko na. Kasi galing sa Angeles yan, pagka tinanggap mo yan, pinaandar mo yan, who will get credit? Di Angeles. Hindi ba mga puro palpak naman yung mga Angeles na yan? Hindi, di ba? Mahina naman yung mga yan tatanggapin mo yung donation nila. Tama ba, partner? That's speculative. Oh, come on. Yung Angeles pa yan, yak pa yan. It's gonna make the children happy. Sama ba? Gandang araw, mga kaprangkahan. Once again, maraming issue na medyo mainit-init na kinailangan natin muling magkaroon ng prangkahan diskusyon. Actually, 4 na issue itong pinag-usapan namin a while ago. And sana okay kayo. By the way po, kung konting suporta, please like, subscribe, and ano pa ba dapat gawin? Share. Partner, kumusta? How was your week been? Kumusta naman?
Busy, masyadong maraming activities, lalo na ngayong mga panahong ito, di ba, Pards? Malapit na yung Christmas break. So, maraming mga invitations, mga after office hours, so kailangan mag-attend ng mga iba-ibang functions. At isa ba sa mga 4 na topics na to yung about Christmas party?
Hindi.
Hindi?
Wala yun. Hindi kasama yun. But anyway, kaya nga tayo nakapolong ganito. There was a time, kinantsawan na ako. Sabi, wala na daw akong ibang masuot o baka hindi ko na nalalaban. So anyway, i-try natin. Pero parts, yung unang mainit na I think pag-usapan natin is dito sa city, sa siyudad ng Tarlac, itong dialysis. Medyo hindi ko nagustuhan Paggising ko kanina umaga, pinapakinggan ko yung isang komentarista dito sa isang radio station. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung stasyon, but I understand. Itong batang yap ito na taga-defend nila. And by the way, just to remind, ang format po natin dito sa ating podcast is, kung ako po ang pro-yap, si partner Ronald ang pro-Angeles, in this case, siya naman ang talagang pro-yap and ako naman ang to take the side of the Angeles side. But anyway, so, partner, alam mo yung kaninang umaga, binaba natin itong si Willie Santos. Yung situation, dyan sa may, tinitira niya kung bakit sarado yan. Ba't may problema yung dialysis center? In fact, I understand yesterday, nagpatawag ng press con, si Mayor SY. I really don't know kung sino ang nagpatawag, who handled the press con. But I do understand, maraming justification given, mga pampalusot, kung bakit hindi umaandar, bakit sarado yung dialysis center. And kanina umaga narinig ko, sabi nito, dami Number 1, sabi niya, wala raw parking sa lugar na yon. Perhaps it's valid, wala nga talagang parking. Pangalawa, ang basic problem talaga is yun nga, sa water system. Bitin ang water system daw. Ano ba naman? Alam mo, partner, even without, there are things I know I don't need to go, hindi ko na kailangan pang i-verify. Because alam ko, partner, sigurado ako, 100% sure, yan na dialysis center na yan, ay meron yan approval, permit from the DOH, which is a national agency. Paano ba naka-operate yan? In fact, I did a little checking. January of 2024 pa daw yan, partner.
Na nag-ooperate o hindi na nag-ooperate?
Nung inumpisan ma-operate. Okay. Up to, nag-exit sila, which is sometime of June, and I clarified, nagkaroon ba kayong problema for that length of time? Wala naman daw. At ang nagpapatakbo niyan was the former City Health Officer, si Dr. Ago. So, to my simple mind, kasi medyo, alam mo, ang grabe yung banat. In fact, gusto ko nga hamunin yan si yung Willie Santos yan to a debate Either he comes here to our studio or akong pupunta sa kanila. Sama-sama na sila ng tropang taga-depensa dyan. But I think mahihirapan kayong i-defend ito this time around. Isama niyo na si Maynard na kesyo-kesyo, gano'n. I mean, it's come on. Let's use a little common sense. At tagal nag-operate yan. In fact, 3 main things ang critic nila dyan. Number 1, parking. Nandun na tayo. Sige. Nothing is perfect Perhaps mas magaling talaga mga IAP mag-design, mag-execute and whatever. Pero nandyan na yan and that is helping patients that are in need of that very important, di ba? Life-saving service. Second, this water system. Kesyo-kesyo daw, nakikishare pa daw yan sa tubig ng City Hall. Siguro naman kung kapos yan ng konting tubig ng City Hall or what. Hindi naman siguro na ikasasama ng loob yan, gagamitin ng mga Besides, it's our office. Office use lang yan, hindi naman yung residential use. But marami alternatibo yan. Tapos the filtration system daw, sabi sa RO, that's the reverse osmosis. Hindi daw siya ukma para doon. So, imagine na setup, parang yun ang tinawag na not the administration setup, at yan, ang yan is the DOH. Kasi ba't nila in-approve in the first place? Diba? Is that what you're saying? Diba? Puro buo yung mga DOH at kailang magaling. Diba? O partner, paano kaya?
So yung itong pamumuno nga ni Mayor SY. So, ito yung mga diniscuss nila, no? Yung location nga.
May kodigo ka dyan. Sige.
Para hindi ko malimutan parts.
Talo. Wala akong kodigo
So,
sige.
hindi PWD friendly yung location.
Okay.
No adequate parking at alam naman natin na ang problema nga yung lugar na yan. No? Yung water issue, tama naman. Nagkakaproblema ang prime water. All over Tarlac City, may problema ang prime water. Hindi kayang supplyan lahat. May mga times nga na walang mga tubig ang ibang portions of the city.
Yeah.
Hindi rin naman pwede mag-jetmatic o yung deep well dahil pinagbabawal ito ng batas.
Daw. Yeah.
Tapos, yung isa pang sinasabi nila, itong water filtration nga, not a medical standard. So ito, sinabi nilang ganito, I'm not an expert, hindi ka rin expert. So, siguro nga, sabi nila, nagkaroon ng incidents, nagkaroon ng breakdown twice in 2 years.
Tapos, isang nasabi yata, di ba na-mention, is it can only service 2 patients a week. Paano daw yung mga kailangan ng 3?
No,
3 sessions a week.
Ang sinasabi is 2 treatments per week.
Okay.
Per patient.
Per patient. Yun ang
currently
capacity.
kasi may 21 patients sila.
Yes, yun ang capacity. So, you can always find criticism. A point ko lang dyan is, there was the DOH, that it was approved. It's being used. I don't want to blame a finger, and I certainly cannot talk with definitive thing, but parang tingin ko negligence Hawak na nila, nagka-problema, ito problema nila yan. Baka pinabayaan naman nila. Or baka yan na naman is another case of porque galing sa administrasyon ng Angeles, which karamihan ata dinidemonize. I'll explain why I said that. No? Huwag naman sana ganoon. Dapat let's take out politics for a while when it comes to providing basic social services sa mga nangangailangan. In fact, yung critic pa rin yan sa partner dyan sa may walang parking. Alam mo, marami naman dyan, mga pasyente, I do not just know the situation. Nagpapadialysis ka, you will drive yourself up, papark ka, lakad. Kung may kasama ka sa bahay at nakakotse ka naman, syempre, ganyan din ang situation dyan, pwede ka na may drop-off right in front, konting lakad din lang. Kahit naman may parking dyan, maglalakad ka pa rin naman. So I don't think that's a valid comment. No? I think pambubutas na lang yan. Alam mo, kung mangangantsaw tayo ng isang bagay, mabutasan natin isang bagay, sana butasan naman natin ang maganda-ganda mas valid at hindi naman tayo maubusan ng ikakantsaw sa isang bagay.
Bukod sa traffic kasi, parts, yung location kasi, ang sinasabing rason, hindi stretcher-friendly. Masyadong masikip yung entrada ng dialysis center.
So, I mean, okay yan. So they have plans, lilipat nila. But in the meantime, pagganahin na muna na siguro nila para mapakinabangan ng mga nangangailangan talaga.
Unless may problema nga talaga sa filtration system, sa water supply. Kasi parts
Well, what a
eh.
coincidence. For over a year and a half, hindi naman nagka-problema. That's what I asked. I called up somebody on the Angeles side and I asked.
Ang sabi sa media briefer na ni Mayor Susan Yap is nag-breakdown sometime last year and again now. So, twice in 2 years. So,
Well,
at saka
I do not know last year.
yung point mo kanina na DOH,
Yeah.
more than likely kasi, I'm not privy to the details, pero more than likely kasi, DOH will approve. Lalo na whatever, no matter how small, halimbawa, kahit 21 patients lang yan, but it would help.
21 is 21.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
But it would help. Then, more than likely, i-approve pa rin.
But they will not approve kung there is something wrong in this. I don't believe they will approve if there is something wrong in the safety standard and setup. I don't believe so.
Siguro
I don't
ba
think so.
ang nagka-issue yung breakdown ng mga equipment.
Yeah.
Not the technology involved o yung mismo yung mga equipment nag-breakdown.
Banat ng banat yun si Willie Santos kanina umaga, paulit-ulit. Nataon ko nung pagsakay ko ng auto. Diyan lang naman ako nakikinig. Pag sakay ko ng kotse, narinig ko, 20 minutes. Paulit-ulit. Nalinalambas yung mga critic na yan. No? So, hindi naman tayo ganun mayroon naman tayong konting kaalaman sa mga ganyang bagay din naman, no? Sa mga water filtration systems. But anyway, sige partner, so do we move on? Or any last words?
I just want to point out na kailangan ng mga kababayan natin sa province itong mga dialysis centers na to. So, mas maraming access. Actually, yung PhilHealth nga ina-allow up to 156 sessions per year per patient.
Okay.
So, mas maraming location. Siguro ang magandang location ngayon, currently, ang ideal location is yung mga malapit sa hospitals. Like sa provincial hospital. Meron bang dialysis center niya? I believe meron, di ba?
Well, sabi kanina nung komentarista yun si Mr. Santos, baka daw ilipat yan doon sa may tinayong hospital, Tarlac General Hospital.
Tarlac City General Hospital.
Inaugurate naman daw yung parking lot noon. That was his several times sarcastic remarks na inaugurate lang yung parking lot. So, whatever he means with that. Siguro sa parking lot ilalagay nga yan.
So,
as long as, alam mo, Mr. Santos, I don't care saan lagay yan. Kahit pa sa parking lot. As long as it works and DOH approves it, well, what's wrong with that?
Siguro nagbibiro lang si Mr. Santos doon. No?
Well,
Obviously, nagbibiro.
It was
pero
sarcastic.
kasi yung inaugurate
Diba?
kasi, inaugurate nga naman kasi yon sometime in April, if I'm not mistaken, na eto, napaka-grand, ng Tarlac City General Hospital. But when
I was there. We inspected.
Yeah,
We were part of
Mayor
the
Susan
below.
Yap inspected together with some members of the
A lot
media.
of members, yeah.
Nakita na talagang ginagawa pa yung main building.
Yeah.
Yung pwedeng gamitin is yung single-story building next to it.
Pwede na ba? Sabi kanina ng komentarista, parking lot lang daw eh.
Parang pwede na yung building na yon kasi gawa na eh.
Okay.
Gawa na. During that time, that was, I think, June 30, July 1, if baka... Yeah, I think it was June 30 nung mag-inspect tayo ron. At yung mismo building, ready na. Pero marami pa kasing preparations yan eh.
Yeah,
Yung pag-install.
Mahaba pa yan before
and
after operation.
Hindi rin nakatulong na, alam mo na, yung budget, reenacted budget lang, walang pambili ng equipment, walang magtatao doon. So, kabit-kabit na mga problema ng syudad, no?
Yeah. Sige. So, you had the last word. Let's move on.
Yes. Okay.
Isang topic na tinake up nung itong dyaryo where I am affiliated with, itong Tarlac Weekender, it was really kasi alam mo partner, ako ever since, pag Christmas season, focus ako sa mga bata. In fact, meron tayong konting pasaya sa mga bata, binibila natin regalo, this and that. Kasi I happen to believe that Christmas is really especially for the kids and New Year is for the adults. Ating napag-alaman na nandun sa dyaryo is magdo-donate pala itong si Mr. Engineer Vic Angeles ng i-donate daw niya yung mga equipments na yan, children's rides and all of those things. And which was being made use for several years in the past nitong administration. Imagine ito-donate na yan. Pero I understand, sumulat ang city administrator at sinabi, tanggalin nyo na yan kasi meron kami ibang plano. Oh, which is nice. Oh, great. Ako, mag-donate ka sa akin, tatanggapin ko.
Oh, yes, of course.
I may not necessarily use it,
Mm.
pero ayoko man gamitin doon sa Plazuela, di paggamit ko sa ibang lugar, sa ibang barangay.
Correct.
Those are millions worth of, children's rides and equipment.
On that point, Pards, I agree with you. Yes.
Are you allowed to agree with me?
Yes, of
You're
course.
supposed to take the... What are you saying?
It's already 6:30. I'm allowed to express
After
my own
office pa.
opinion.
Hindi, you're not. You have to defend the camp wherein you are affiliated with. So, part sabi nga doon sa dyaryo, kung totoo man yon, nakakagalit. Kasi, we're inviting anyone from the current administration. Maybe come over, we'll go to you if you like, and get your side naman, and tell us your side. What could be a possible, wag nang intelligent reason, quite sensible reason that you would possibly refuse a donation? Ano kaya? Ako, maisip ko na. Partner, prangkahan nga tayo. Ako talaga, brutalin ko na, sabihin ko na. Kasi galing sa Angeles yan, pagka tinanggap mo yan, pinaandar mo yan, who will get credit? Di Angeles. Hindi ba mga puro palpak naman yung mga Angeles na yan? Hindi, di ba? Mahina naman yung mga yan tapos tatanggapin mo yung donation nila. Tama ba, partner? That's speculative.
Tatanggapin ko donation if I were the administration.
You would?
But if I'm, yes. But if I'm a bull administrator, ito yung rason ko. Hayaan nyo na kaming to start with a blank slate. Blank plaza.
Are you saying the city admin is bullshit?
No, if I'm the bull administrator,
Okay.
ako yung bull.
Okay, but remember, the city administrator only acts in behalf of the mayor.
Yes.
Okay.
Kasi halimbawa parts, no?
Yeah.
Parang walang ipinagkaiba yun doon sa, halimbawa, yung change of administration. Kapag nagbago administration, may mga staff sa mayor's office yan, may mga staff sa presidential office. Pero lahat mga yan, no matter how qualified, very rarely may ikikip kang personnel. Papalitan mo lahat.
Yes,
Same thing with the projects.
Partner,
With Duterte's build. With
Partner.
Marcos, iba ni focus.
Partner, I have to disagree. Ano yan there is a trust element there. There's an element of trust involved. Ito naman, partner, these are children's rides. Ikasasaya ng mga bata. Can we not for once, even during Christmas, yung mga NPA nga nung araw, nagsisisfire sila at least during Christmas time, di ba? May period. Di ba? May safe conduct passes na binibigay, di ba, partner? You know that, so on and so forth. Can't we just have some kind of a safe conduct pass now and, come on, kay Angeles pa yan, kay Yap pa yan, it's gonna make the children happy. Sama ba? There's something I need to understand.
Yeah.
Pero pasyensya na kayo. Alam niyo naman, grade 1 lang inabot ko. May back subject pa. So, medyo may na ako mintindi minsan. Pasyensya kayo mga kaprangkahan. But anyway, partner, I think we have to take a break. Sinasenyahan tayo ng editor natin at babalik tayo. Please like, share, and you see you in a while.